येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। So we are at Abhyasa 25 today, and we will try to cover a few sandhis and a few other concepts. So the Shabda we are going to see is Ukaranta, some Ukaranta Shabdas, and Ukaranta Pullinga Shabdas in that. That is what we are going to see. Uh, so, Divakar ji, can you just uh, start with the Ka Shabdas from Madhu, or rather, you can just say from Madhu to uh, all actually, Vah, up till this, from Ka to this.
ओके। मधु अर्थात शहद,
Hmm.
दारू अर्थात लकड़ी,
Hmm.
जानू अर्थात घुटना,
Hmm.
अंबु अर्थात जल, वस्तु अर्थात वस्तु, वसु अर्थात धन, अश्रु अर्थात आंसू। फिर ख वर्ग में प्र प्लस आप पाना, स्वत अर्थात सोना
Hmm.
या जानना, स्ना अर्थात नहाना, ब्रू अर्थात बोलना, घृ अर्थात धारण करना, नृ अर्थात मरना, नृ अर्थात छोड़ना,
Hmm.
भिद अर्थात तोड़ना,
Hmm.
छिद अर्थात काटना, हन अर्थात मारना, आरंभ अ, आरंभ करना, वह अर्थात ढोना या बहना।
Hmm. Hmm. We say, right, Vahan karna, Bhar Vahan karna. So it comes from this
जी।
Vahan,
राइट
Vahadhatu.
राइट।
And then we are going to look at some of the words now. तो मधु रूप के पूरे रूप मधु शब्द के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो। 29 शब्द संख्या 29। 29, so I will probably do this one. Madhu is the Pratipadika. It's the Ukaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. Sorry, I said Pullinga Napumsakalinga. Now, what is the Shabda Rupa? Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Madhu. One Madhu. Then two Madhus is Madhuni, and Madhuni is three Madhus. Again, Dvitiya Vibhakti is also like that. Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni. Then Madhuna, Madhubhyam, Madhubihi is एक तीन मधु के द्वारा दो एक मधु के द्वारा दो मधु के द्वारा इस मधुभ्याम एंड तीन मधु के द्वारा इस मधुभिहि मधुने इज फॉर वन मधु मधुभ्याम इज अगेन फॉर टू मधुस मधुभ्यः इज फॉर थ्री और मोर मधुस मधुनः इज separated from one madhu madhubhyam is separated from two madhus and Madhubhyah is separated from three or more madhus. Madhunaha, madhunoho, madhunam is of one madhu, of two madhus, of three or more madhus. And in one madhu is madhuni, in two madhus is madhunoho, and in three or more madhus is madhusho. He madhu or he madho, he madhuni, he madhuni is this is how we are going to look at the Shabda. Now let me quickly go and do this. Look at the other. things also. So this is one madhu. Now one more thing is coming. दा धातु के विधिलिंग और लृट के रूप स्मरण करो. This is dhatu sankhya, I think 24 or what? This came here as well, right? 24, yeah. So 24 we are going to look at. So Vidhiling and Vritlakar. Now Divakar ji, can you say the Vidhiling and the Vritlakara?
Yes, विधि लिंग स्यात् स्याताम
Aha, this is Syat
शुः.
Syatam is for As Dhatu, right? But for
जी.
but we don't want As Dhatu, we want
यस.
Da Dhatu.
ओके, देना. ओके, ठीक है, ठीक.
Yes.
So for देना, विधिलिंग would be दधात, दध्याताम, दध्युः,
Not
दध्याः,
not not
दध्यात्.
not not the dhyat, the dhyat, ध्य ध नहीं होगा, द होगा. तो
ओके, द
दध्यात नहीं है, दध्यात, दध्यात,
दध्यात्. ओके,
दध्याताम, दध्युः.
ओके, ओके. दद्याः, दद्यातं, दद्यात्, दद्याम, दद्याव, दद्याम.
Meaning
अ,
for dadyat,
फिर
dadyatam, dadyuhu. Can you tell me the meaning for dadyat, dadyatam, dadyuhu?
दद्यात्, दद्यातां, दद्युः अर्थात आप दोगे, आप दोनों दोगे और आप सभी दोगे.
Hmm. No, that is so why would that be आप सभी दोगे? दद्यात, दद्याताम, दद्युः. This is prathama vibhakti, right? So this is prathama purusha. So that we are referring to a third person, right? So why would it be आप सब दोगे और आप दोगे? Why would that come?
अच्छा, अच्छा, राइट, 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 राइट. आप नहीं होगा. यस, वो, वे देंगे, या वो दोनों देंगे, या वे सभी देंगे.
Hmm.
राइट.
Hmm. Okay. So now the next thing is this thing, the lit lakara. Can you just spell out the lit lakara?
ओके. दास्यति, दास्यतः, दास्यन्ति, दास्यसि, दास्यथः, दास्यत्, दास्यामि, दास्यावः, दास्यामः.
Good. So now let me go to the abhyasa. Also done. Now a sutra comes. Stoho shchunash-chuhu. Sutra that comes is Stoho shchunash-chuhu. स या तवर्ग से पहले या बाद में श या चवर्ग कोई भी हो तो स को श और तवर्ग को चवर्ग हो जाता है. So what they are trying to say is, if there is a s followed by, so the first word should have a is ending like this halanta, and then the beginning of the next word should be by ish or sh, or अथवा और च छ ज झ या, that is च वर्ग. च छ ज झ या, any of these things. Then this sa will become sh, and if tavarga is there, if tavarga is there, so how do we write tavarga? Ta tha the dha na. So if sh or chavarga, any of those things come, then ta becomes cha. Obviously, I should put this alanta. Tha becomes ich. So it becomes ich. It becomes ij, or the becomes ja basically. And tatha tatha na. Id becomes tacha ja jha. Jha. And this becomes yeah. Okay. So Ramah और च, Ramah or cha, Ramah में the visarga becomes sa. We haven't seen why that is happening. We haven't yet come to that stage. But Ramah becomes Ramas, and sa has come, is has come, was followed by chakara. So is becomes ish. So Ramascha, kaschit, kaschit, harischa, harishcha, तच्च, तवर्गा was following by a chavarga, ta का च हो गया, ta का च. Here also it's written ta का च. Sat, we say Satchidananda, so it's Satchit Ananda. So what is happening? Ta का च हो गया. उच्चारणम, उच्चारणम. सत सद जनः, द का ज हो गया, सज्जनः. उज्ज्वल, उज्ज्वल. याचना, this becomes yachya, something like this. So okay, yeah, delete here. Yeah. So this is tohu shtunash chuhu. Why is tohu shtunash chuhu? Let us look at the sutra. We go back to the sutra. Comes. सकारत् तवर्गयोः शकारत् चवर्गाभ्याम योगे संहितायां शकारत् चवर्गौ स्तः. What does that mean? What is toho? What is toho here? What is toho? Then shuna, chuhu. Where are these words coming from? There is one more such sutra actually, but we will go to that later. But stoho. Stoho is Sakara and the Tavarga. So they are saying after, so we say right, Balakasya Balakayoho, right? दो के लिए. So Stoho, Sa and Tavarga. After that, if Ish or Sh or Chavarga come, then what happens? Sa and Tavarga become Sh and Chavarga. That is what they are saying. Basically, what we have already seen. So, yeah, I mean, as we probably go into Panini Sutras a bit more, some of these prayogas will also become easy to understand. But yeah, this is not the time. So, Stoho Shtunash Chuhu. Now again, change. I will just change the slides. Okay. Another thing that comes is भूतकाल अर्थ में धातु से तवतु तवत प्रत्यय होता है. व्हाट इज तवतु का? तवत ही बचता है, शेष रहता है. तवत प्रत्यय लगाकर रूप बनाने का सरल उपाय यह है कि त प्रत्यय लगाकर जो रूप बनता है उसके बाद में वत और जोड़ दो. सो वी से कृ विसे कृ जोड़ त प्रत्यय, दैट इज कृतः. धृ जोड़ त प्रत्यय धृतः. सो उसमें यू जस्ट हैव टू ऐड द वत थिंग. सो यू ऐड कृतवत, धृतवत, पठितः. डोंट कीप पठितः, मेक इट पठितवत, and so on. Now another thing, if you are using this tavat pratyaya, tavatu pratyaya or tavat pratyaya, in that case, so if I say Ramah pustakam pathati, other way of looking at it is Ramena pustakam pathitam, that is the ta pratyaya prayoga. Or if I want to say something like Ram pustak padha hua hai, we can say Ramah Ramah pustakam pathitavan. So what is this patitavan? It is coming from pat jod tavatu pratyaya, that becomes patitavat. Patitavat pulling prathama vibhakti ekvachanam is patitavan. So like Bhagavan, Bhagavantau, Bhagavantaha, that is how the Shabda will go. For Strilinga, it becomes Patitavati, that will work like Dirgha Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda or Nadi. Napumsaka Linga, it will be like Jagat. So if I say Usne Pust, and Tavatu Pratyaya generally used for something done in the past. Usne, if I say वो पुस्तक पढ़ा हुआ है, that means he has already read the pustaka in some time in the past. So for that we have to use this tavatu pratyaya. उसने पुस्तक पढ़ी, सफ पुस्तकम पठितवान, तौ पुस्तकम पठितवन्तौ, भगवान भगवन्तौ भगवन्तः, भगवन्तं भगवन्तौ भगवतः, something like this. We need to look at the Bhagavan Shabda Rupa, Bhagavat once, I may be wrong. So सह पुस्तकानि पठितवन्तः. So here he is reading the pustaka. There is a mistake here, by the way. So it cannot be saha pustakani patitavantaha, because patitavan, patitavantau, patitavantaha. It will be te pustakani. This is wrong. This will be te patitavantaha, because this thing is in bahuvachanam. Now, so you can make that edit in your hard copies. Now, Rama pustakam patitavati. Rama ने पुस्तक पढ़ी, रमा पुस्तक को पढ़ी हुई है. रमा हैज रेड द पुस्तक. Now, how do we do this? How do we use this in the अभ्यास? स मधु खादितवान, मधु आनय, मधु ने वैश्यस्य गृहं गच्छ, and स त्वम अहम वा गृहं गतवान. Whatever I have underlined, Divakar ji, can you try doing the anuvada for this? Are you there? Divakar ji, are you there? Uh, okay, maybe, yeah. So I
I
was,
am there.
okay, you are there. Acha, Prantik Da is there. Okay. So, Prantik Da. So, we were discussing the Tavatu Pratyaya. Tavatu Pratyaya. Tavatu Pratyaya is used in the sense of something done in the past. So, if I want to say, uh, Saha, उसने सह वो बालक को पकड़ा हुआ है, दैट एक्ट हैज ऑलरेडी बीन डन, उसने बालक को पकड़ा हुआ है. या इफ आई से सह वेदान अधीतवान, सह वेदान अधीतवान, he has read all the or studied all the Vedas. So there we are using a particular pratyaya called tavatu pratyaya. What is this tavatu pratyaya? Tavatu pratyaya is, so how do we generate that? Like ta pratyaya that we had seen yesterday, kritaha, thritaha, and all that. In the same way, so suppose you create kritaha from krujor ta pratyaya, this becomes kritaha. So for kritaha, you just have to add kritavat, make it kritavat now. That becomes the tavatu pratyaya transformation. Kritavat. And in this kritavat, it can have all the three lingas. Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. So Pullinga works like Bhagavat Shabdarupa. Strilinga works like Kritavat or Dhritavat becomes Dhritavati. So Dirgha Ikaranta. It will operate like Nadi. And uh, Kritavan, Dhritavan, and the other thing Dhritavati, that was one thing. And then it can also be Napumsakalinga. Krita Pratyayant, or sorry, Tavatu Pratyayanta Shabda can also be a Napumsakalinga. So it will work like Jagat. Jagat will be the Napumsakalinga whose Shabda Rupa you need to see. So that's one thing that we discussed.
It will always be such in all context.
As in, I did not understand. Can you please elucidate the
Means
question?
in every kind of situation, the same rule be applicable for the Pumlinga and Strilinga.
Yes, yes, yes. So almost, yeah, almost the same rules will be applicable. When I say almost the same rules, what I mean to say that, see, uh, here in Tavatu Pratyaya, it will only take the form of uh, Takaranta Pullinga. In that case, the only option that you have is go with uh, this uh, Bhagavat Shabda. So patitavat, that will always be like it will always be a takaranta shabda for pullinga. Strilinga, so it's not like they're using a e here just like that. There is a particular pratyaya called the neep pratyaya. The neep pratyaya we won't see in this volume. Prarambhika Rachananuvado Kaumudi, the second volume that you both have purchased. It is we will also see that in a few days time. We will also begin the second volume. There we will see that too, at the end of the second volume we will see the three pratyayas, that is suffixes which are used to create a strilinga shabda. So uh, Bhagavat, and if you add the नीप प्रत्यय, नीप प्रत्यय में सिर्फ ई, दीर्घ ई शेष रहता है, that goes into Bhagavat, it becomes Bhagavati. So yes, that will always be like a dirgha ikaranta shabda like nadi, and napumsakalinga is what, Bhagavat, takaranta napumsakalinga shabda is jagat, so it will work like jagat. So it will be a universal application as far as I know in the case of uh, this particular uh, pratyaya. But if there are other three pratyayas that you may want to use, so adhyapaka becomes adhyapika, right? So for adhyapika, you have to use the shabda rupa of Lata. So that's a very different thing. There also a Sri Pratyaya has worked. There also a Sri Pratyaya has worked, and it depends. It totally depends. But at least for Tavatu Pratyaya, this rule almost universally holds. So yeah. So next thing that I wanted to discuss was this these udaharana vakyas. Sah madhuhu khaditavan. So sah madhu khaditavan. What is this madhu khaditavan? वह मधु को खाता है. So where does this come from? It comes from a particular application that we have seen today at the beginning. That tavatu pratyaya, if you want to use, then karta, the doer of the action, will always be given prathama vibhakti. Pustakam, or the karma, the thing on which you want to do that action, that will always get dvitiya vibhakti, and pathitavan or pathitavati or any of those things will be based on the linga vibhakti vachana of the karta. सह मधु खाद सह मधु खादितवान. what will it be? It will be वह मधु खाता है या खाया हुआ है. Now this is मधु आनय. मधु को लाओ, मधु लाओ, bring the honey. This is मधुने वैश्यस्य गृहे गृहं गच्छ. To for the मधु, चतुर्थी विभक्ति for the मधु, मधु के लिए, वैश्यस्य गृहं गच्छ. गच्छ is lot lakara, and this is madhyama purusha. So vaishyasya griham gaccha. Vaishyasya is shashti vibhakti. So vaishyasya griham is karta karaka, so it is getting dvitiya.
मधुने वैश्यस्य गृहं वैश्यस्य गृह is a shop, means is it shop for Sanskrit? दुकान है.
So Vaishya is Vaishya only, the person who is Vaishya Vaijati, to go to his griha, because those days there won't be any separate shops, like it would be just be the home and the shop.
Okay.
Yeah. So griham gaccha, you go to the griha, that's all. Now there are some other words also. Saha bhashanam dattavan. This comes from da. Da plus tavatu pratyaya. It becomes dattavan. It is dattavat, but then for pullinga, because saha is tat shabda pullinga. Vibhakti is prathama vibhakti. So this will have to get the linga vibhakti and vachana. So dattavan it became, and that too prathama vibhakti ekvachan, dattavan. So saha bhashanam dattavan. सा वचनम उक्तवती, वह वचन बोलती है. उक्तवती, so this see वत जोड़ नी प्रत्यय becomes वती, उक्तवती. ते गृहम त्यक्तवन्तः, they are leaving the home, and so on and so forth. सह धनम दास्यति, वह धन देगा. this is for दा धातु zrit लकार भविष्यत काल. सह धनम दास्यति, वह धन देगा. त्वम च दास्यसि, you also give. This is madhyama purusha. In the same way we can translate shuchi vari piba. This would be madhunah sevanam kuru, or madhunam khada, something like this. Yeah, so we can always do these translations. Swakiyam janu, parish kuru, something like this. This can be there. So on and so forth. So yeah, I mean you have to prepare and do these translations on your own. Tavat pratyaya, what would be the prayoga? Usne pustak padhi. As I said, this is in what? Bhutakala. Usne pustak padhi. So it will be saha pustakam pathitavan. So pat dhatu tavat pratyaya becomes pathitavat. Pathitavat will take the linga vibhakti vachana of the karta. So it will become pathitavan. Prathama vibhakti ek vachanam. pullinga, and so on. This is how this whole thing will work. And yeah, we were also looking at a shabda at a sandhi rule. So sandhi rule was this, that if after sa and sha, this is what? This is talavya sha. So this is dantasa, right? This is talavya. So sa and sha, after them, if, sorry, not sorry, I made a mistake. If after dantasa, if after sa and tavarga, sh or chavarga, any of these things come, then sa would become sh, and tavarga, ta will become cha correspondingly. So ta becomes its corresponding element in cha. So ta becomes cha, tha becomes cha, da becomes ja, dha becomes jha, na becomes ya. So Rama, so it is basically Ramah cha. Ramah cha becomes Ramasu cha. We haven't got into that state. That will take us at least one more year before we get into how Ramah and cha. First it Ramah becomes Ramasu, and then it becomes Ramas, and then it becomes Ramascha. But the point is, if you have such a word Ramah, Ramas jod cha, then sa ke baad cha hai, so sa should become sh. So Ramascha, Kashchit, so on. That is what we want to use here. Guruhu jod cha, this is Guruscha, and then sa ka sh ho jata hai, so it becomes Guruscha. Kan and chana, न के बाद तथा दधा न के बाद chavarga is coming. So na becomes the corresponding element of chavarga. Na's corresponding element is nya. It becomes kanchana, and so on. So this is how we need to do this. Sat jod janaha. Ta becomes tatha dadha na, and cha cha ja ja yeah becomes sajjana. Sajjana. It's given here also. Sajjana. This is the becomes ja, sajjana, and so on. Okay. So we have done up till this, and then we can do a bit of Ramodantam today. I will just change my screen, present something else. Divakar ji, are you there?
Yes, yes, yes. For a while, I think my
Okay,
internet connection
okay,
was
no worries.
disconnected.
So we will just wrap up with this portion. Uh,
Okay, okay.
hmm. The portion is we needed to see Ramayana. This is something that I have been doing for some time now. So we had seen till verse number 20. Seen till 20. So Aranyakanda is going. So now we go to verse number 21. Ashokavana Prasanga is coming. So Ashokavanika Madhye. What is the Vibhakti here, Divakarji?
मध्य में सप्तमी विभक्ति
Perfect. And what is the Vibhakti here?
जनकात्मजाम I'm not sure what would it mean. I mean, जनक का आत्मज I can understand, which means सीता माता आत्मजा
लता लते लताः,
आत्मजाम।
लताम लते लताः. Does it ring a bell?
ओके 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 ओके, यस
Through
यस।
what vibhakti?
द्वितीय विभक्ति।
Vitiya. So that is karma karaka, right? And what is the
यस।
karta here then? Ravana.
रावण।
So what is
रावण
happening?
रक्षित।
He after
अशोक। यस। अशोक
after
वाटिका के।
keeping her, so this we haven't yet seen. This is the lyap pratyaya. We haven't yet seen lyap pratyaya, but just keep it in mind. This is the lyap pratyaya. So what is he saying? After after keeping her, after putting her in the Ashokavana, after putting whom in the Ashokavana? Janakatmajam, the daughter of Janaka. What did he do? Rakshitum cha enam. So to protect her, to guard her, Niyuyoja Nishacharihi. He appointed a lot of Nishacharis, a lot of Rakshasis or demonesses, whatever you may want to call. Hmm. Now Hatva Ramastu Maricham Agachan Anujeritam वार्तामाकर्ण्य दुःखार्तः पर्णशालामुपागमत्. So what happened? After Hatva, after killing Maricham, Maricham is Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ramahatu, Karta, Agachan. He started he arrived with or started going with whom or after what? After being told by brother Anujayrita. And what happened after being told by everything that happened in behind him? Vartamakarnya dukkhartha. After hearing all that was told by Lakshmana, he became dukkhartha. He became struck by grief. And Parnashalam upagamata. He came back to the Parnashalam. He reached the Parnashala. Returned back to the Parnashala. अदृष्ट्वा तत्र वैदेही विचिन्वानो वनान्तरे सहानुजो गृधराजं छिन्न पक्षम ददर्श सः. What is happening now? So Vichinvana, he was searching for her in Vanantare, in the interior of the forest. Vanasya Antare, in the interior of the forest. After doing what? Adrishtva Tatra Vaidehim, after not seeing Vaidehi in the Parnashala. And what? Sahanujo Gridhar Rajam Chinna Paksham Dadarsha Saha. So along with his brother, he was searching for Sita. And then what did he see? Gridhar Rajam, that is Jatayu, the king of vultures. He saw Jatayu, who was Chinna Paksha. That is, his feathers are all were cut apart. Dadarsha Saha, he saw him. So, तेनोक्तां जानकी वार्तां श्रुत्वा पश्चान्मृतं च तं दग्ध्वा सहानुजो रामः चक्रे तस्योदकक्रियाम्. So what happened? Tenoktam Janaki Vartam. After hearing the Varta, after hearing the news of Janaki, as told by Tenoktam, as told by whom? Gridha Rajena. After being told by Gridha Raja Jatayuna. What happens? He cremated this Jatayu. Dagdva cremated this Jatayu after, this Jatayu passed away. Paschanmritam Chatam. And then what did he do? Sahanujo, along with his brother, Ramah Chakre, Tasya Udakakriyam. So did all his tarpana and everything. Tasya Udakakriyam. You are giving Jala tarpana. Right? So, Atmano Bhinbhavam Paschat Purvatim Pati Lakshmanaha Ayo Mukhim Chakarashu Kritta Shravana. Hmm. So, yeah, this would be Atmano Abhibhavam Pashat Purvatim Pathi Lakshmanah Ayomukhim Chakarashu Krittashravana Nasikam Atmanah Abhibhavam Pashat Purvatim Pathi Lakshmanah. Even I need to see this part of the Valmiki Ramayana. I don't know if they are linking it with this Kavandha. So I also need to see it. We will see it from this part in the next part. I mean, this is not, this part of the story is also not very clear to me what was happening that time. I also need to see this. Anyway, so we will start with this in the next class, or maybe we will just cover up this part of the Aranya Kanda in the next class. So with this, I will take your leave. येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः।